Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you're trying to replace a tire with a Tpms sensor, this is the sensor that detects how much pressure you have in your tire. We'll explain what needs to be done to safely remove the tire and install a tire, okay, without damaging that sensor. Otherwise, guys, those are expensive. You, in some cases, need special tools to activate and program them, so you don't want to get in that mess. Especially if you're doing the work for a customer, guys. Because once you break a sensor, guys, okay, your light will be constantly on and it will be annoying and it will be expensive to fix. Even if it's for yourself, you need to know how to do that now. If you guys need to buy the tire changer and balancing machine, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. They're not very expensive, okay, but they work really good. This compressor there, guys, okay, it's amazing. It's for home use, but it does amazing job. It pumps all the way to 165 psi. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to deflate your tire. We already have ours deflated. Once you do that now, guys, okay, what we're going to do, let me show you now. Most cars, guys, okay, you have now two options. One is having the Tpms sensor on the valve stem. That's where 90% of the cars will have the Tpms sensor on the valve stem, or 180 degrees from the valve stem on the wheel. Okay, with a metal strap. So those are, guys, most of the options. Okay, the two most common places, but 95% of the time I would say it's on the valve stem. It's very important when you break the bead loose, okay, to get the tire loose, not to apply any pressure around the valve stem. So I usually go about 90 degrees from the valve stem on each side. Okay, that way we can avoid damage. So let me do that now quick. Okay, let me show you now. Now I will go 90 more, okay, so about like that. So that way I can see where the valve stem or where the Tpms sensor is located. Okay, this one is on the valve stem. When the tire opened, I was able to see. So again, now I have to be extremely careful with that valve stem. Okay, looking at it, okay, it's like right here. So I need to avoid that area, guys, otherwise I can cause damage. So I'll go ahead. Get that one loose, okay, and we'll probably just need one more spot, okay, and just to be away from the valve stem and the Tpms sensor, so about right here now. Almost had it. Now this is a little tricky tire. Okay, perfect. This one is in. I'm going to pop the wheel on the tire machine, clamp it down. Now I want to show you guys, okay, we're going to spin the wheel, okay, and we're going to come about right here now. So I'll get the arm, adjust it to the wheel. Okay, it's important, okay, to go right in front of the valve stem, right in front of it. Now let me show you, okay, what's going to happen. Carefully, okay, reach inside, make sure you don't grab the Tpms sensor if you need to go a little bit back. Okay, just grab the tire only. Okay, and we're going to remove the tire like that. So we're going to just lubricate here with the soap water a little bit, okay, so it can come out a little bit easy, because steel wheels are usually a little bit hard to get to remove the tire, excuse me. But the valve stem is right here, guys, so we're going to go right in front of the valve stem. We're going to push down, grab down the tire only. Careful not to catch your Tpms sensor. Okay, if you do, just move a little bit. Okay, like that, and I'm going to spin it now. Okay, and you can see the tire came off pretty easy on this side. Now we're going to bring the valve stem again, about right here, right before, okay, the arm. So I'm going to go with the thing now, down, pull it, and check out, guys, the Tpms sensor stays there. So that will be the first thing to come out. And you can see the Tpms sensor is the first thing to come out. Now we are going to gently, okay, spin it. Tire will come out. Usually steel wheels are harder to do even than the aluminum ones nowadays. This is the old tire. Tpms sensor is untouched. Okay, everything's good. It's right here. You can see. Inspect it now, make sure everything's good. If you need to resituate it or something, check it out. Inspect your valve stem not to have leaks, and we'll be ready to pop the new tire on. But before that, okay, you can, if you have any weight, okay, like this one we have on this side right here, we're going to remove it quickly, guys. Okay, let me show you now. And make sure you stay with us to show you guys, okay, how to install it now. So I'm going to get the tire that we need now. We're going to lubricate it on each side now. Okay, lubricate it good, otherwise it's not going to go on the wheel. Make sure that one of the sides doesn't say outside or anything like that, because some tires are directional, they may have an arrow. Now, it's very important, guys, okay, we're going to go now in reverse order. So the valve stem needs to go about 150 degrees, okay, right here from the point where we'll start installing the tire. Check it out now, even about 180. Okay, valve stem is right there, you can see. Okay, so I'm going to start installing the tire, and the valve stem should be the last thing to pop in. Perfect. Now I'm going to bring it to the other side again. Okay, like that, about 180 from here, and we're going to start installing it now. Perfect. And now, guys, all we have left at that point, okay, to inflate your tire, and after that you need to balance it. Okay, this is the balancer. We have a video on the channel that explains how to balance, and actually reviewing the balancer as well. Really good piece of equipment, guys. So we're going to release the tire now. The wheel, it's very important. Stay away because it can pop really bad. Okay, our sealed, and once we guys inflate it, okay, we'll be ready to install the needle. So just a little bit more, guys. Okay, let me see now. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead, install the valve stem. Check your tire pressure again, balance your tire, guys. And pretty much, as you can see, this is the whole procedure to safely remove and replace a tire with Tpms sensor. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time.